Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi ka arterik urisau, kawai neki sengsan partai ke jala, ka National People's Party neki NPP, kalawan cakmat ban kentho yak Sorkar jala, ka bahapo ka kanhon jong ka Meghalaya United Alliance 2, ka belasan syar ka seng Kongres. Habakran haki nong partai kubor, haga jakat rekam jong ka seng, haka ni ka nong ba Shillong, ka baran halowo la shumia. Kinoy lam jong ka NPP Meghalaya State Union, hapo ka jelam jong Presiden ba wan lam prang kharmujai. Laong ba ka Sorkar Meghalaya, klale ya ka kam ka balong bean. Khamtam haka rukom trekam jong ka Shillong Municipal Board. Haka bala Pyndonkam Bakla ya ka Meghalaya Municipal Act 1973. Haka bala lum bat penkeu bean ya ki khajna baper. Laya thoro ba ka Shillong Municipal Board kalum khajna haki constituency basa ki jai ben rew rulom. Kom ha 14 penthorom kra 16 East Shillong, 17 North Shillong, 18 West Shillong, 19 South Shillong, 21 Nong Thamai, bat hakikat tu kat ni ki jaka ki bahap apo ka 22 Nong Krem constituency. Komta nakal yang ka NPP kalakular bahkan sapen baik ya kani ke jingle bean joko Sorkar MUA2 ke balailam Dr. Mukal Sangma ko menteri rang ba ke jela.
The National People's Party Shillong City is deeply disturbed and concerned by the illegal acts being committed by the MUA government, especially in the way the Meghalaya Municipal Act 1973 has been used to illegally collect and raise taxes in the municipal areas of Shillong City. The more important and pertinent issue here also is the way the SMB is collecting the holding tax in tribal areas, falling under the municipal, because tribal land belongs to the people, it does not belong to the municipal, and holding tax means a tax on the land which is very illegal. We have no aversion to paying reasonably fixed sanitary taxes for payment of electricity, of street lights, water and other utility bills. But where the holding tax is concerned, this is totally illegal and a reconsideration of this tax has to be made, which the NPP Shillong City feels that this is an issue which the people have to know that this is illegal and it has to be stopped. At the same time, both tribal and non-tribals have been affected by the raising of taxes, which has been done by an amendment of the Meghalaya Municipal Act, which in fact elections should have been held. And without holding elections, because there can be no taxation without proper representation. So this is also an illegal act of the government. The NPP Shillong City feels that the stakeholders should be consulted so that even an amendment of the Meghalaya Municipal Act should be made so that the traditional systems of governance in the various localities should be incorporated into the Meghalaya Municipal Act also. But this has to be done after the consultation with all the stakeholders.